All the leaves are gone. Okay. We're at the other side of the lake already. This is the Lecco branch as we walk to Pescalo. It's nice and downhill from here until you want to go back home. This building right here, the red one, used to have an old facade pre-COVID. But during COVID, they had time and I guess money from the government to paint things. And honestly, I liked the old, distressed, aged building better, but I get the point of keeping things looking nice. So we are on Salita Cappuccini. And there's a story behind it. It's, I think, one of the priests or monks or something that came up with cappuccinos. They named this street after it. And we're going to come to the little Borgo. And there's a mountain back there called San Primo where they actually ski in Bellagio. The leaves are just starting to bud. Very different time of year to be here. I've only been here one other time in March and once in February. And there is no leaves. But people still find their way here. I thought the swans might be here. I'm sorry, I have no food for you. I'm sorry. I have no food, no chibo.
אני התחברתי מה, אבל איך זה עובד, אני לא מבין מה, אני שואל אותך חובה, את לא יודעת. סבבה, בוא נצא לראות.